Hello, everybody. So, in the last recording, we have done started with the five business problem, and we have used various functions in order to solve the business problem. So, let me share the file with you. So, as you can see over here, that these are the five business problem that we have seen. The first problem was total salary and headcount by department. So, in this we have used the sumifs and the countif function. So, this is the data set that we had. And in this, we have to find that what is the headcount according to the department and what is the total salary according to the department and the average salary according to the department, as well as the number of employees that are working. We have to find that how many number of permanent employees are working in the department. So for this, we use a countif function. For this, the sum ifs, this for this average if, and for again for the countif with two conditions. The first condition was the that means the employee type is permanent, and second is that the department, which is we have taken over here as a training department, and further the department will keep on changing it to business development, engineering, marketing, legal. So this was our first business problem. The second was actually that we wanted to get the all the employees which was getting more than $100,000 salary. So for this, what we did was we used a filter function. And in this, we used a filter function for the salary, which is greater than 100,000. So this is the output that we got. The output was not formatted. So this we have taken a start date over here and we changed it to a date function to the date. And then we got the salary. For the salary, we changed it to currency. And then we did not even have an output as an employee ID or first name as a column name. So for there, we have used a hash header from the staff, right? In order to get the output like this. Now, the third query states that we was further actually an addition of this, an enhancement of this, which was all female employees with more than $100,000 salary. So for this, what we did was that we wanted to get the female employees. So further, we use the filter function with the two conditions. The first condition was that the salary is should be greater than 100,000, and we use a star over here for the second condition, which states that your gender should be female, right? And after this, we get this output. But initially, we got an output like this with all the columns. But now, suppose if we just wanted to get the first six column, so for this, we use a choose cons function. So choose COLS function. So in this, we have to give like the number of column like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this, in output, we get the five column. Similarly, over here, we gave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 choose column in a staff hash header to get the output as a column name. Now we come to the fourth query. The fourth query or the business problem states that which is the lowest, highest, and top five salaries, right? So for this, we have actually got this. That means we have the data. This is for all the employees. Then this is for the male employees, and this is for the female employees. So let's do it over here also because in case we should know that how actually it is done, right? So now, first of all, for all the employees, we have used a function is equal to min, and there we have a staff, right? And we have used that the salary, right? We just wanted to know about the salary. So in this, we get to know that this is the minimum salary for the entire all the employees. For this, we have the max function. So this is the staff salary, and we have over here the max function to get the staff salary. Okay. I think this is going somewhere else. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, sorry. We didn't use is equal to max. So for this, we got the maximum salary. Then we have got the top five salaries. So for this, we are using a large function over here, right? So we have used is equal to large. We have your staff salary. And in this one, so this is the highest salary. Similarly, for the others also we can do. Here we have got the second highest salary. This is the third highest salary. This is the fourth highest salary. And this is your fifth highest salary. So for this, we have used a large function in order to get the top five salaries, right? Now for the male, what we have to do is that here we have the same, which we have first is minifs to get the minimum salary, right? Then we have to give the, that means we need it for salary, right? So we will just give a salary. Then we want for the gender, right? The gender that we select over here. And there we have to give J dollar and it is 4. So this is for the male. So this becomes the minimum salary for the male. Similarly, we are going to give for the female over here. The only thing that is going to change is uh, the only thing we have to change over here is the name of the uh, that means we will put k over here, right? So similarly, the maxiv function will be used, right? Which is going to give us the maximum value. So you will use the maxiv function, staff salary, staff gender, and you will give J dollar 4 as in, so this is the maximum salary. Similarly, over here, we are going to use a K dollar 4, which is going to give the maximum for the for this. For this, we are going to use the large function only. But the only thing that we have to see is that here we have to use the here we have to use gender as J dollar 4, right? And it is going to give the same output. So when we are going to take it to the next level, it is going to give, so we have to do it 2 over here. And then we have to do 3 over here for the third largest salary according to the male. And we have to do 4 over here for the fourth largest salary according to your male. And then we are going to, so here we have used a filter function and then we have used the large function on the output that we get from the filter function. So here we will use 5, right? Similarly, we can use over here, first of all, we use a filter function. In after the filter function, we have to give a salary and then we have to give the gender. The gender is selected to be K dollar 4, right? So this is the output that we are getting of the female function. But here we have to get the the large we will use large function now because we want to get for the top 5. So this we will get for the first one. Similarly, we are going to just copy paste and change the k value. That is what we need to do. Now we have for 1, so we will just change the k value for 2 over here. Over here, we will take the k value for 3 to find the third largest salary according to female. Here we will take 4 for finding the fourth largest salary according to female and 5 for getting the fifth largest salary according to female. So we have got this as our output. So you can see, and now we have the top 5 salaries. So for this, we have a function over here, sort and take. So in case large function is also used in order to find this the top 5 salaries, but we can use the sort function also. So you can see the sort function over here will be just working on this function, which is going to sort us the value, and then we can use the take function to get the output. So this is basically the function that we will be using. So let us take this value. So here, first of all, we'll be sorting the data, right? And this is what the output we will be getting. So this is the entire data that we have after we have used the sort function, right? So this is the entire salary that we are getting. Now we have to take a take function on this, and we have to take the five values only. So this we are only interested in the top five values. So this is the top five values or top five salaries by using a sort and a take function. So first of all, we take a sort function, and then whatever is the output of the sort, we apply a take function on it. Now we come to the fifth, which is the list of all the department. So it is the simplest by using unique. So we have used is equal to unique and staff department to get all the unique department. So here we have the 13 department, and here we have used count A and which is E5 hash to see that department, because hash, because we do not know what is the end. Suppose if we put E5 colon E17, then we will get 13. But suppose if the department will keep on increasing, suppose over here we have a legal department over here, and let's say we have a product management, and we have one more department over here, let's say product planning. So that means we have added one more department called product planning. So now instead of 13 department, we should have 14 department. So which we can see over here, when we just click on it and we just do it, we have one more department. So that means now we are having product planning, and we have total 15 department over here. As you can see that we are having 15 departments. So this basically tells you that why you have to use hash over here, because we do not know the ending. So that may keeps on increasing, and it will keep on adding the value over here, right? So I think all the five business equations are clear to you. And we have used various functions like sumifs, countifs, filter, choose columns, and we have used minimum, maximum, large, sort, take, unique, count a. So I hope all these function is clear to you. Thank you very much.